Here I have Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, go to the watermark. You will have to enable device watermark, then enter your custom watermark. It could be like that. And now let's try to make a photo. And as you can see, now we have our device watermark and also our custom watermark here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.